Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to put two pictures side by side with Canva. Have you ever found yourself in need of placing two images side by side for a project, a catchy social media post, or perhaps a quick and simple collage? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to achieve this effortlessly using Canva, a tool that's not only free, but also incredibly user-friendly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a clean, elegant two-picture layout that you can easily download, share with friends, or even print for personal use. So, let's jump right in and get started. First things first, open up Canva on your computer or device. Don't worry if you haven't signed up yet. Canva offers free accounts that only take a moment to set up. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a prominent Create a Design button, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll want to select a custom size for your canvas. Here, let's go with 100 by 100 pixels as a starting point. Now, while this size might seem small at first glance, it's merely a baseline to get us going. Feel free to adjust these dimensions to better suit your specific needs, whether that means a larger or taller canvas. What's crucial here is maintaining a square canvas to ensure your photos line up neatly. After setting your custom size, Canva will present you with a fresh, blank workspace. Think of this as your digital canvas, a blank slate ready for your creativity. Now, where the magic truly begins is with Canva's elements. On the left sidebar, you'll find an option labeled Elements. It's easily recognizable by an icon resembling a square or various shapes. Click on it, and in the search bar at the top, type in Frames. Frames in Canva function like containers for your images, allowing you to crop and position them precisely where you want. Scroll through the available frame options until you spot a frame that resembles two rectangles side by side, much like a window split down the middle. Once you find it, click to add that frame to your design. You'll want to stretch this frame so that it covers your entire canvas. Simply click on the corners and drag them outwards. These frames are incredibly flexible and can be adjusted as needed. Setting this frame as your background ensures that both pictures are anchored in place and evenly sized, a crucial step for maintaining a tidy and balanced appearance. Now for the exciting part, adding your photos. You can either click on the Upload section in the sidebar or drag your images directly from your computer into Canva. Once your images are uploaded, drag each one into one of the spaces within the frame. If a photo doesn't look quite right, perhaps someone's face is cut off, you can double-click on the image to reposition or zoom in until it appears just the way you want. It's worth taking a moment here to ensure that both images are nicely centered and that nothing important is obscured. And there you have it. You now have two pictures side by side, perfectly aligned with the help of Canva's powerful yet incredibly easy-to-use tools. You can download your finished design as a JPEG or PNG file, or if you prefer, share it directly from Canva. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to put two pictures side by side with Canva. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.